Good morning, YouTube. Nothing says summertime quite as much as homemade ice cream. This morning we are making fresh homemade strawberry ice cream. It is quick, easy, delicious, and over the top. All right, let's cook, y'all. We got a family to feed. All right, here we go. We're gonna make something. Strawberry ice cream. That's what we're doing. I had to think about it for a second. Wow. All right, so strawberries are fresh. They're in season. They are all over the place. They are fabulous. And right here, I've got, this is a generous 2 cups. I guess maybe 2 1/4, but anyway, 2 cups of chopped strawberries. And over here is 1 cup of sugar. Now I'm only gonna use about half of this to macerate our berries. And macerate is just a fancy way of saying that you're going to put sugar on fruit and you're going to give it a stir and then you're going to set it over to the side and let it sit for a few minutes, because the sugar will cause the berries to start releasing their juices. Okay, so this is all that happens at this stage. We're going to give this 10-15 minutes. We're going to walk away and we will be back when there's something else to look at. All right, so we've given our strawberries about 15 minutes, and is that the worst focus ever? What in the world? Okay, 15 minutes have passed, and our strawberries have released a lot of liquid. You can see it down in the bottom there. All right, so this is going to come over here to our food processor. And we're just gonna whiz it up. And you probably want to grab a spatula to scrape the bottom of your... I'm making strawberry ice cream. We had all those billions of fresh strawberries. Seems like all the fresh fruit in the summertime comes like all at once, you know? You're gonna get all of it, boom. And you gotta figure out what to do with it. So I've been making a lot of ice cream lately. All right, so you don't have to like go crazy on this part. Nope. Yep.
Can you actually blend it extra well?
Do what?
Can you actually blend it extra well for me?
You like it finer?
Yes.
No chunks of strawberry?
No.
Okay. All right, so you can leave chunks of strawberry or not. If your kid has decided she's delicate and can't manage it. Okay, so to this, we're going to add just a couple things. Let me grab a picture for the printed article. Bop. Okay, hold on. So to this, we're going to add a couple things. This is 1 cup of whole milk. We're going to add 2 cups of heavy cream. You will also see this sold as whipping cream. It is the same stuff, okay? So 2 cups. Sorry. Kid, you do know you're in the middle of one of my... Thanks, kid. All right, so 2 cups of cream. I have this making egg white omelets. Actually, no, that's not an omelet. I don't know what it is. Let's be generous and call it a scramble. All right, this is the rest of our 1 cup of sugar. We're also going to give it about a teaspoon of vanilla. maybe 2. And then we're going to give it just a touch, half a teaspoon of salt. You don't need much, but you want a little bit just to wake up your flavors, okay? All done. That's all there is to that part. Ooh. I'm throwing things. I have a tendency to do that. All right, so now we got our ice cream maker. You could, if you wanted to, just add the cream and the milk straight to the top of the ice cream maker. There's no reason to blend it in the food processor. The food processor is really just to make sure you have a nice strawberry puree. However thin or thick your kid wants it. All right, so this just goes right in here. And we're gonna go off of your own ice cream maker, whatever your ice cream maker says. Mine, it's almost always 30 minutes. That's just what it takes. Boom. Okay, let me grab the camera. I want to show you something real quick. All right, can you see that? No, right there. You got little tiny pieces of strawberry. Little tiny pieces of strawberry. You really want it as smooth and creamy as possible. If you do leave chunks, you need to make sure that your base is as fully blended as you can get it. And this is all there is to this. Okay, we drop the churner bar in. We drop the top on. And we give it half an hour. It's kind of magic. Making ice cream. Alright, so right about half an hour. Something about the... I will say, something about the noise the ice cream maker makes. After a few minutes, you're kind of like stressed out. It like just amps up some sort of little anxiety thing. Okay, in me it does. I guess, it's just such a relief when I turn the noise off. It's like, hush. Quiet seems quieter than normal when that thing's turned off. Oh, maybe it's the buzz. All right, that's weird. Sorry about the rant. Whoops. Okay, so we had half an hour. And you want to let it go until it gets nice and firm. Like you could see how perfect that is, right? Matter of fact, I'm going to stop right here and take a picture. Hang on a minute. All right, sorry about that. It just looks so nice. I wanted to capture it. Now I've got ice cream on my counter. I'm going to pretend that's not there. Okay, so at this point, what you have is something that's kind of equivalent to soft serve. Nothing wrong with soft serve if that's how you like it. However, if you want to harden this off, you're going to have to transfer it to your freezer. So I usually do like to harden off ice cream. The summer in the South is so hot that if you try to pull out a soft serve ice cream, you're pretty much going to have strawberry milk. That's just what you're going to get. All right, so at this point, we're transferring this to the freezer. I'm going to taste it because how perfect is that? It's pretty flippin' perfect. Oh my Lord. Oh, y'all. That's just about the best thing that can happen to a strawberry. Yeah. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. And if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.